Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome here if you're new. Today we are going to be setting up my health and wellness planner for the month of November. Y'all have not seen this planner in such a long time, and I'm going to be honest with you, it's because I haven't been really doing any spreads. I have been using the planner, I just haven't really been showing you guys on my weekly plans, and I don't know why. It's just, I guess I just fell out of the habit, but we are back in, we are ready for the month, we are ready for November, and I am excited. So let's go ahead and get started with everything. This is what I'm using for the calendar portion. For the calendar portion of my monthly or my health planner, I use it to track like food and important things. So this is what I'm using for that. As you can see, this is from PinkimonoPapers, and this is the Sweater Weather Monthly Kit. Love this one. Love this so much. Then for the dashboard, we are actually going to be using a vellum piece of paper from Growing Modestly. Her shop is unfortunately closed, but I'm also going to be using these to kind of decorate the monthly tab. And we are going to be using these. These are customs from SerilynArt. You guys know I love SerilynArt, and I use her stickers in my planner frequently, so no surprise there. But let's go ahead and get started with the monthly. Okay, so this is the tab that we are going to be decorating. Like I said, I am going to be using this to just cover it up. I think I'm actually going to grab some white paper and just cover it up with that first. So let's do that, and then we will decorate the actual tab. I have to find my adhesive tape there. That's not it. There it is. Alright, and just like that, we have the monthly tab done. And I think I'm just going to adhere this on to the page because I'm not really going to use this anyway, so I might as well. My sticky tape decided it didn't want to work, and I'm trying to figure out what happened with it so I can get this fixed. Okay, now that I finally got the adhesive off, I am going to go ahead and line this up to the page and stick it down. And that's perfect. Look at that. Awesome. Okay, now I'm going to arrange this. I think I want this to go here and this one to go up there. I like that. That's what we're going to do. No hesitations here, guys. No hesitations here. We are just going to go for it. These are actually stickers, if you did not know. She does custom large stickers and small stickers. You just have to ask her and she will make them for you. Just pick a sticker and you're set. I have a lot of custom stickers that I had planned on using and then just never got around to, but now I can. You see this? Perfect. All we need is something that says November. Actually, I think I have this guy. This is from Paper House Productions. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Will I need this title eventually? Yeah, I definitely will, but I'm going to use it for here anyway. Alright, there we go. Now, we are going to put the November title. Where should we put it? I was thinking of putting it right in the center, but I like it right there instead. Look at that! Look how pretty that is, you guys. I love this. I need to punch the holes in here. Actually, I probably should wait until I do the calendar portion. So, let's do that first, and then we will do the currently, because the currently always takes the longest. These don't really take that long, but let's go ahead and get that started. All right, November, here we go. Let's start there. Oh my gosh, I love this collection. It is so pretty. I showed you guys a haul of everything that I got from PinkimonoPapers. If you were interested in seeing what I purchased, check that video out. It is already up on my channel. There we go. And then I also got the decorative sidebar rather than the functional sidebar because I knew I wasn't going to use the sidebar. I don't ever use the sidebar for my planner, so might as well just make it decorative, right? Okay, dokie. This is for the, that is not it. This is for the bottom. I think for, oops, I kicked the camera. I'm so sorry, guys. I think for 2026, I'm going to be using inserts from Live Love Posh for my health planner, or there's also one that I saw at Walmart. But I don't ever really use the calendar portion as much as I used to. So I honestly think that I'm going to stick with, I already forgot if I did a Sunday start in October or not. I usually do Monday starts, so we're going to stick with that. Anyways, I don't ever really use the calendar portion. The stuff that I usually track in my calendar is actually now on my phone, just because it is like my cycle and any medications that I take. I have that on the health app on my phone. Like your iPhone comes with like a regular health app, and I actually use that. So I don't ever really use the calendar portion, but I do like to use it on occasion. So I think I'm just going to see if I can use either the Live Love Posh meal planning inserts, because I do track my meals, or I will see if the one at Walmart works. I'm going to look when I go on this weekend and see how the setup is going to be for that. But yeah. I do want to do one thing, and we're just going to move this guy down just a titch, because I do want a dinner's script here, just so that I can track. I don't think this one has a dinner's script, but I do have some in this. Here we go. Let's use this pink one, just because I want to. Okay, and that way I'll have a little tiny space for the dinners that I need to write in. And let me go ahead and put the numbers stickers down, and then we will be ready to decorate the currently. Alright, perfect. Okay, so I think the calendar portion is done. I don't really need to do anything. Like I said, I'm just going to have a little tiny section for dinners, but let's go ahead and do our currently, and that's going to take just a little bit longer, only because look at all of the look at all the bleed through that we have here. It's unfortunate. It's a lot. So what we're going to do to fix that is, guys, guess what? We're going to cover it with white paper. And just like that, we have our portion finished. So let's go ahead and add this washi. This is like the only fall washi that I have, unfortunately. This is from Shine Sticker Studio. And I love this washi to death, but I need to get some different washi. Of course, I'm probably going to go on Temu and look for some. But I try not to use Temu when it comes to washi, because I want to support the small businesses. But y'all, sometimes Temu just has really cute washi, and I like to use it. And I have a huge amount of washi that I need to use anyway, so. Okay, I'm going to use this guy. This is the, like, sidebar thingy that comes with the kit. I'm going to use this. And I'm actually going to turn it into 3 boxes. And I know that's going to seem weird, but trust me, I have a reason. Okay, and then we have this little strip of brown that we're going to use to create the boxes itself. See, there we go. Now we have the 4 boxes. Okay, now I'm going to add these little titles. Might as well, you know, use what we have, right? Like, there's no point in wasting stickers. So, use the stickers that we have. Okay. See, I don't think this blue goes, so I'm not going to use the blue, but I am going to use this one. You know what we're going to do is we're just going to do a little a little sticker switch, and I'm going to steal this one so that it balances. Alright, there we go. Now we have that. I just need to do 2 more boxes. Well, maybe just, yeah, 2 more boxes for this month and next month. And then I think we will be set. Alright, so got this box here, onto this box here, and then we're going to use these titles this month and next month, just for things that I need to remember for health-wise or whatever. And you know what I've decided, because we used SerilynArt in some of the other stuff, we're going to use some SerilynArt stickers here as well. I used these in my spread for my work planner, and I decided that, you know what, we're going to use these stickers as well, because not only do we love to use our sticker stash, but we also love SerilynArt. We love her stickers, so we might as well use them, right? Right. Correct? Correct. Okay. Where did that go? There it is. Boop. I don't know where this is going to go. I'll stick it over here. And this probably should have gone at the top, but oh well, it's too late now. Let's do the little tear, and we'll lift this up. Probably should have used this washi, but I didn't think about using SerilynArt stickers until I just now did this spread, and I was like, well, I could have used SerilynArt stickers for the washi too, but I don't think I had. Okay, so I have 2 dolls left, so we're going to use those. I thought I might as well just use up the rest of this sticker kit, because, you know, why not? Okay, and then we have this doll. I'm going to use her as well. I think she's going to go. We're going to scooch these 2 over, and she's going to go up here by this month. Let's see. Let's see, if we stick her here, right, we could do a little layering situation there, right? And we could put this like that. There we go. Perfect. All right. We have 2 more deco pieces that we're going to use. I was thinking I could use these stickers before I decided to use it for this. I was like, oh, I could just use these for like a to-do page. But I think that it's much cuter on a planner spread, don't you? Yes. Yes, we do. I'm not really worried about like covering up all the stuff here because I really won't use it. So, well, this currently went a lot faster than I expected it, because I really didn't expect it to go this fast, and it did. So that's exciting. Ooh, I don't want to waste this piece. So let's start there. Throw this guy, throw these guys away. Cut that off. We're going to stick it right here. Well, that didn't work. And let's put this guy right here. And this guy, I'm going to stick, if she decides that it's okay for her to come up a little bit, and she did, we're going to stick this guy like this behind her. I think I should do one here too. Alright, let's see if you will release your pumpkin. Thank you. Alright, I think we could do it this way. Oh, she's gonna have to move her little head. There we go. Awesome sauce. We only have 1 more sticker left, and I don't have any more places to put it. It's going to be way too crowded if I add that. So that works out great. Alright y'all, that is it for this month in my health planner using some stickers from SerilynArt and the PinkimonoPapers monthly kit, as well as a divider from Growing Modestly. I absolutely love how everything turned out. I think that this is perfect for fall time, perfect for November, and it is so cute. I will leave PinkimonoPapers information in the description box below, as well as SerilynArt, so don't forget to check them out. If you want to save some money off of your order, use my code Megan25 off of SerilynArt's website. It'll save you 25% off. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, craft on. Bye guys!